entire incident happened on the morning of 5th, and we got this information by afternoon. So after then we immediately rushed our team and under our ADC to rush to the area, and immediately through the state government coordination we called NDRF, SDRF and SRT, and from that day itself we started this rescue operation. So far we continued this rescue and search operation till 9th of the February, and so far total death figure in Meghalaya is 28, and from Assam also, Silchar, we received information 2% have died, so we are also in the process to include their name also. So far there is a total death of 30, and we are also processing this part of relief compensation to the next to the kin of victim, and we have processed for 8 victims so far. And next we and beyond and after that we are trying to establish the contact with their relatives and to get their account number to proceed on immediate basis. So regarding this incident, now we have taken a very strict measure, and yeah, since past 4 days we are deploying our 5 teams to run this enforcement drive and siege all the coals and seal all the mines and make further arrest into that. And we have success on into this also. We so far till yesterday we have filed 34 FIRs. We have seized the gelatin that was used for this illegal mining activity, and enforcement drive is still going on for today also, and it will carry on further. And we have set up this district task force to continue this drive, and we have taken a very strict measure and instructed all our line departments like district transport office and district mining office to take every possible action to stop this illegal mining activity in the district. No, so far there is no laborers in the Thangsko, and we have searched the mines thoroughly, and there is no more bodies left. And on the basis of confirmation from this NDRF and SDRF and SRT at the site who conducted this search operation for 4 days, now we have closed the search operation by 5 p.m. on 9th of February. Yeah, today we had a meeting for this district task force for complete stoppage of this illegal coal mining in the East Jingbthei Hill. In meeting, we have officers from district mining office, district transport office, all the ADMs and all the assistant commissioner and superintendent of police, and his all the officers from the police department were present in that meeting. So we discussed various measures to be taken in next couple of weeks to completely stop this illegal coal mining in East Jingbthei district. So far 2 arrests have been made, and police department is still investigating the matter, and they have further released the names for those who are absconding. So once arrest is made, it will be made public. Yes. This time we are taking very strict action. We are taking the help of technology also, like drone, to complete surveillance over the area, and we have already started taking the action to shift the already mined coal to the depot, and we will immediately auction them, and we will ensure that no illegal coal mining things will happen in the district further.